Have you ever lost important social app data on your iPhone? Maybe that can be messages, chats, or attachment that suddenly disappeared. In this video, we'll show you how to back up your social app data properly and how to restore it safely if you ever lose it. Let's start with backup. There are three main ways to back up social app data on your iPhone. The first is through iCloud backup. This backs up your iPhone's data through iCloud, including supported app data and your device settings. Just keep in mind that what gets backed up depends on each app's own settings, and you will need enough iCloud storage available for it to work. The second method is each app's built-in backup feature. WhatsApp, for example, has its own chat backup option, and most other messaging and social apps offer something similar. The catch is that some apps store their data separately from their phone's system backup. So, backup availability really depends on the individual app. The third method is backing up through a computer. Using Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows, this creates a complete local backup of your device, stored as a full snapshot of everything on your phone. Now, all three of these are useful for prevention, but what happens if you have already lost data and there was no backup, or the backup didn't include what you needed? That's where Tenorshare UltData for iOS comes in. It's a dedicated iPhone data recovery tool built to back up and restore social app data even in situations where a normal backup wouldn't help. On its product page, UltData is presented around a few key strengths. It can recover lost photos, videos, messages, contacts, notes, and more than 35 types of iOS data directly from your iPhone or iPad, even without any backup at all. It also works with existing backups, supporting 3 recovery modes, pulling data straight from your iOS device, extracting it from an iCloud backup, or restoring selected files from an iTunes or Finder backup. Before anything is recovered, you get a full preview, so you only restore the specific files you actually need instead of your entire backup or device. And importantly, none of this requires a factory reset or risks overwriting your existing data. UltData also covers social media apps too, including WhatsApp, Messenger, Line, WeChat, Viber, and others, recovering their messages, chat history, photos, videos, and attachments. Here's how it works in practice. Say you need to recover WhatsApp messages. After installing UltData on your computer, connect your iPhone and choose to recover data either directly from your device or from an iCloud backup or from an iTunes backup, depending on what's available to you. If you're pulling from iCloud, sign in with your Apple ID, and UltData will download and scan the backup for WhatsApp data. Or if you don't have any iCloud backup of your social media apps, then just select the app that you want to recover the data from. Connect your iPhone to your computer and make sure to trust the computer if asked. Follow the prompts or the steps shown. And finally, UltData scans your device. It shows you the messages and call history it finds and lets you select exactly what to bring back, saving it to your computer or your device. Whether your data was lost to accidental deletion, a factory reset, a software update, or a broken phone, the same scan, preview, recover process applies. Along with that, there is a backup section that includes social app, an iPhone data section for general device backups, and a toolkit with extras like format conversion. Click on Social App under Backup, and you will land on Backup and Restore screen, which lets you quickly back up and restore your social apps whenever needed. Here, you will see 4 supported apps: WhatsApp, Line, Viber, and WeChat, each with its own dedicated backup and restore option. In conclusion, it is highly recommended to routinely back up the data from your social media applications. Utilize a combination of iCloud, individual in-app backup options, and local computer backups is the best approach, as each method helps fill the gaps left by the others. And if ever data slips through or you need to recover something a standard backup missed, Tenorshare UltData gives you a way to scan, preview, and selectively restore your social app data without restoring or resetting your iPhone. If this video helped you out to protect your messages and chats, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up for more helpful videos just like this one. Take care, and I'll see you soon.